Hello, and welcome to week one of Advanced Managerial Accounting. Dr. Tim Creel here. Let's go ahead and look at week one. So, first week of the course, and this is an 8-week course, so it's going to move pretty quickly. And some weeks there will be a lot of work due. So, you'll want to just keep up. Keeping up is probably the best advice I could give you. So in week one, you're just going to do one chapter, chapter one. Most weeks you're going to do two, three, sometimes I think even four. So you're going to do a lot more as we continue on, but just one chapter this week. And that's the first chapter, which is a good introductory chapter, which looks at a lot of concepts like direct cost and indirect cost and variable cost and fixed costs that are going to be a part of the course as we move through the course. So good kind of introductory chapter covers a lot of good terminology for you to go over. Now, notice down here below this, you've got some things that are really helpful to you. You've got an orientation. It just talks about, an orientation to connect and how to use the McGraw-Hill Connect system, which a lot of your assignments are going to be on. Talks about reading assignment orientation, how to do those, a Tableau walkthrough for using Tableau, and a guide and quiz to really kind of solidify your understanding of how to use Tableau, which is a great program to use for data analysis and data analytics. And then every week, you're going to have these narrated PowerPoint slides and concepts overview videos. These are narrated PowerPoint slide and concept overview videos that go over the material that's being covered in the course. So very useful, especially if you're a visual learner and like to see things and the steps laid out. Very useful for a lot of the concepts we're covering in the course. Now, in week one here, you have a comprehensive accounting cycle project due. So this is a pretty good sized project. Now, this project really covers or digs more into financial accounting. So you're going to do journal entry. You're going to use the Excel file that you're given, and you're going to do journal entries for these 20 transactions right here. And there's some instructions you'll see down below this that gives some direction on how to do a journal entry and the financial statements and really give a good review of financial accounting there at the end of this. So you're going to record all these transactions and journal entries. Remember, debits and credits. Then you want to post them to T accounts, which are kind of is like posting them to their ledger accounts in essence. Then you're going to prepare a trial balance based on all the account balances from the ledger, from the T accounts. And then you're going to do an income statement and a balance sheet based off that information as well. So this assignment is a very good review of financial accounting, as you will see this week. Now, there's some instructional videos down here at the bottom that go over like the accounting equation, assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity, how to do a journal entry, how to do financial statements, an income statement, a balance sheet. So some really good YouTube videos to links to YouTube videos here that will help you, that you'll want to watch before you do this assignment, because many of you have had a basic financial accounting class before, so it's going to bring all of that back to you. So a very good review. And if you haven't had a financial accounting class, you can basically get what you need for this assignment or get a basic knowledge of financial accounting by watching these videos that are listed here. Now, you do have some assignments in the McGraw-Hill Connect system. So every week you'll have these and you'll basically just click on the assignment and it'll go right to the assignment in McGraw-Hill. So you have reading assignments where you'll read certain things and then do a quiz and you'll work your way through like the chapter or chapters. And then a learning video quiz where you take a quiz based on watching videos on the information that we're covering in the chapters. And then some exercises, which will be some like practice, like some exercises from the back of the book, where you will basically put the material covered in these chapters into application. You'll apply it to these exercises that you're doing here. So a very good, but a very busy first week to start. So get with me if you've got any questions. I hope you have a fantastic first week. Take care and bye-bye.